Hello students, we were learning short forms. Now we will continue with the exercises. First one, give short form answers to the following questions. Remember, we can't use a short form in an affirmative answer. First one, are you fond of fish? The affirmative answer is yes, I am. Negative answer, no, I'm not. Second, do you like fish? The affirmative answer is yes, I do. Negative, no, I don't. Third, are you happy here? The affirmative answer is yes, I am. Negative, no, I am not. Fourth, does Rani play chess? The affirmative answer is yes, she does. Negative, no, she doesn't. Fifth, can Raju speak English? Affirmative, yes, he can, or yes, Raju can. Negative, no, he can't, or no, Raju can't. Sixth, have you met my uncle? Affirmative answer is yes, I have. Negative, no, I haven't. Seventh, is Manu your best friend? Affirmative, yes, he is, or yes, Manu is. Negative, no, he isn't, or no, Manu isn't. Eighth, has your friend gone home? Affirmative, yes, he has, or no, he hasn't. Ninth, did you meet him yesterday? Affirmative, yes, I did. Negative, no, I didn't. 10th, will she come again tomorrow? Affirmative, yes, she will. Negative, no, she won't. Second exercise, rewrite each sentence using the short form of underlined words. First, he is my Uncle Sam. He is my Uncle Sam. Second, you should not tell lies. You shouldn't tell lies. Third, we have got a new car. We have got a new car. Fourth, I have finished my work. I have finished my work. Fifth, who has taken my pen? Who's taken my pen? Sixth, who is talking in the room? Who is talking in the room? Seventh, there is a monkey on the roof. There is a monkey on the roof. Eighth, I cannot find my purse anywhere. I can't find my purse anywhere. Ninth, they will come back in the evening. They'll come back in the evening. Next exercise, rewrite each short form in full. First, where is the ball? Where is the ball? Second, the ball's gone into the pond. The ball has gone into the pond. Third, we'll need a long stick to get it out. We will need a long stick to get it out. Fourth, there is a big stick in the shed. There is a big stick in the shed. Fifth, we'll go and get it, won't you? You will go and get it, won't you? Sixth, no, I won't. You can't catch the ball with a stick. No, I will not. You cannot catch the ball with a stick. Seventh, you are foolish. You don't know how we'll do it. You are foolish. You do not know how we will do it. Next exercise, tick the correct sentence in each pair. First, the correct one is, you aren't tired, but I am. Second, the correct one is, she cannot dance, but he can. Third, the correct one is, it's hot today, let's go and swim. Fourth, the correct one is, he's a Punjabi, but his wife isn't. Fifth, the correct one is, Nancy's a new dress, but Lucy hasn't.